Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Kirby. Today we're going to be cooking some boneless chicken thighs in the air fryer for some tacos. Today's video is a collaboration between two YouTubers, Cooking with CJ and Josh and Babe. The reason for this video is because I want to bring you guys a little bit of variety. They have the exact same air fryer as I do, so that way this collaboration can show you 3 different versions of a chicken taco. Now at the end of this video, I will be leaving their video on the end screen so that way you can see their video. So after this video, go check them out. So no further ado, let's get down to the recipe so I can show you how to make it. Since you're here, hit the like and subscribe button and make sure that the notification bell is rang. Check me out on social media, that way you can get notification of all my new recipes. So we're going to start off by cleaning some boneless chicken thighs. Now this is, in Mexican they would call this Pollo Asado. And I'm going to be making it like how they do at the meat markets. They have the lemon and orange flavor. So basically I'm going to hit it with a little bit of lime. And we're going to be seasoning it with Chef Merito's chicken seasoning. Now this is exactly how they do it at the Mexican meat markets. Very simple to do at home. They just, put the lemon or orange juice and they just give it a nice seasoning of the Chef Merito's chicken seasoning. Now you should be able to find this in the Hispanic aisle or Mexican aisle at your local store. I know they sell this at Walmart. If they do not and you can't find this, I will leave a link down in the video description. That way you can try this seasoning. It's very delicious and it goes great with Mexican food. So you just want to go ahead and give a liberal seasoning on that chicken and just let it marinate for 30 minutes. We are also going to be adding a pico de gallo. This is basically 2 Roma tomatoes, 1/4 of a large onion, and 1/2 cup of cilantro. Really great for a topping. And also we're going to be adding some fresh avocados. So once you got your meat marinated, you want to go ahead and preheat your air fryer at 380 degrees, and we're going to set that for 18 minutes. Once you have your air fryer nicely preheated, just go ahead and put your chicken in there. Make sure that you give it a little bit of room, that way that air can circulate. I think I put about 6 or 7 pieces in there and it all fit well. Just make sure that everything fits properly. I believe it was 6 pieces, but go ahead and let it cook. I do flip it about half time, so I had about 9 minutes remaining. I went ahead and gave everything a flip so that way I could give it some even cooking. Now go ahead and just close the lid and let the remaining of the time go ahead and cook. Once it's done, I want you to check the internal temperature. You want to make sure that your chicken gets to the temperature of 165 degrees. I prefer thighs at 175 because it allows that exterior to get a little bit more crispier. But as you can see here, it did not hit the temperature, so I gave it about 4 more minutes, and it did need a little bit more time because I wanted the exterior a little bit more crispier. So before I gave it an additional cook, I went ahead and flipped the chicken. You want to make sure that you get even cooking. So I just went ahead and rotated everything, and then just go ahead and close up the lid and get it cooking. I set it at 380 degrees and I cooked it for another 4 minutes. Once the 4 minutes was done, the chicken was 165 degrees above. And like I said, I try to get it at least 175 degrees because it allows a better exterior for the chicken thighs. It has a lot of fat in there, so you can cook it a little bit longer at a hotter temperature than chicken breast. So since we're at 165 degrees, we're going to just go ahead and use it from here, and we're going to go ahead and build our tacos. Now we're just going to chop our meat, get it ready for the tacos. I like a little bit, bigger chunks of chicken in my taco. If you like smaller chunks, just go ahead and cut it in smaller. Just cut it to your preference. Now in this recipe, I'm trying to make it as easy as possible. That way you can get everything at your local market. I bought everything at Walmart, so even the salsa that I'm using, because I get asked a lot, what kind of salsa or, how do I make my salsa and stuff like that. All of these ingredients I'm going to be showing you is all from Walmart. So I love avocado on my tacos. Fresh avocado is the best, or a fresh guacamole. As you can see, I was just, slicing down the avocado. Now we're gonna take a spoon and we're just gonna scoop it out, just like that. This allows you to get beautiful slices out of the avocado, and it makes the topping of the taco a little bit prettier. So we're gonna just add a little bit of avocado on there. Now, how you build your taco is all personal preference. I do not mind vegetables. I am not a picky eater. I love bandera. A salsa de bandera on my tacos is a must. And since I'm gonna be using easy ingredients, this is Herdez salsa. It's not hot. To me, it's not hot, but it has a good flavor, you know, and just go ahead and give you a nice scoop of some of that salsa right there. And that's pretty much it. Easy chicken tacos. Now, there's nothing easier than that. I can get this done within an hour, and that's just how I like to cook. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so that way you see future videos just like this. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back to you shortly. Now, right here I have Josh and Babes and Cooking with CJ's video. Please go check them out. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.